Hi there. In today's video, I'm going to discuss why NetSuite is sometimes taking so long to load a form or even pick up a customer or vendor within its transactions. Now, as you might know, if you double click on the Oracle NetSuite logo, it will tell you how long the page took to load in seconds and who's the main culprit of it taking so long. So it could be the NetSuite server, it could be Swift scripts working or running on this transaction. It could be workflows, it could be your network. Maybe people are watching Netflix and taking all the bandwidth. It can also be the clients. Now, people are very surprised when they see client because most of us now have super powerful computers, and it shouldn't show client here ever because the latest RAM, the latest CPUs and NVMe hard drives make it impossible for a computer to be told that it's too slow. Now, one reason for this could be that you're not restarting your computer. If you look up on YouTube the reason for restarting your computer, you'll find that because of Windows and the way the fast start is has been set to work. Windows is keeping everything in memory, so basically in your RAM. So whatever you're doing, if you close your computer screen or if you just shut down and then you turn your computer back on, you're going to see the computer is very fast to get back to your logging screen. That's because everything is kept in memory, including all the uh, all the information that NetSuite uses when you're running workflows and scripts and things like that. Whenever you get into a purchase order, it pulls the information up in memory and then it works the workflow here. It's on your computer that these workflows and scripts are running, not on the servers. So of course, you'll need to then restart your computer and clear your cache from your web page, from your web browser. And by doing this, you should see a significant difference on the client side of things. Now, of course, you can always optimize scripts, workflows, and stuff like that. But I found out another problem, an additional problem, which is not commonly seen or reported on. I found it yesterday just by accident because it was a fresh NetSuite implementation, and the customer was using custom fields on their subsidiaries, and they wanted to show these information based on the subsidiary on the transaction print. So we had to create a transaction body field, and from the transaction body field, we went and sourced whatever the subsidiary, the customer or vendor is tied against, and then take that custom information on the subsidiary and put it on that transaction body field. And it's working just fine. As you can see on this demo environment here, I just use sub-country like subsidiary country. And as soon as I put the vendor, it looks at the vendor subsidiary, which is West. And you can see here the subsidiary West has got country United Kingdom. It's just for demo purposes, I'm showing you this. And of course, when we now select the vendor, instead of it being instantaneous, it's now taking 5 seconds and there's no script, there's no workflow. The computer's been restarted, everything is perfect. But because we have this sourced field on the transaction form now, NetSuite is slowed down by 4 to 5 seconds. Now, I know that sometimes you need to source these fields and it's something you can't do without, but obviously this might be the reason why your NetSuite is getting slower because the more sourced fields you're placing on your transaction forms, the longer it's going to take. Okay, now I hope this video was helpful to you. If so, don't forget to leave a like or subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. Thank you and goodbye.